Can you eat acorns? Navigating the nutty world of oak trees? Hey, nature enthusiasts! Today we're diving into a unique topic. Can you eat acorns? Join me as we explore the culinary possibilities hidden in the world of oak trees. Acorns, those tiny treasures that fall from oak trees, have piqued the curiosity of many. While they're often associated with squirrels, can we humans also enjoy these nuts? Let's find out. So can you eat acorns? The answer is yes, but there's a catch. Acorns contain tannins, which give them a bitter taste. To make them palatable, they require some processing to remove the tannins and enhance their flavor. To make acorns edible, you'll need to leach out the tannins. This involves methods like boiling, soaking, or a combination of both. This process helps reduce the bitterness and makes acorns a more enjoyable and versatile ingredient. Once the tannins are removed, acorns can be used in various culinary applications. From baking to making flour or even incorporating them into savory dishes, acorns offer a unique and nutty flavor that can add depth to your meals. While acorns are edible after processing, it's essential to note that some individuals may be allergic to them. Additionally, not all oak species produce edible acorns, so it's crucial to identify the type of oak tree before attempting to consume them. So can you eat acorns? With the right preparation, absolutely. If you're feeling adventurous and want to explore the world of foraging, acorns might be a tasty addition to your culinary repertoire. If you enjoyed this nutty adventure, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more nature-inspired content. Until next time, happy foraging!